So we have that there's a rectangular field where the amount of fencing is 200 meters total. So we have the length and we have the width. So that means 2 times length plus width is equal to 200. So the length plus width is equal to 100. Okay, so then, of course, moving this to the other side, we have this. We also know that the area of this rectangular field, which is length times width, is 2,275. So we know this relationship, so let's plug it into here. We get 100 minus the width times the width is equal to 2275, right? Expanding this, I get 100w minus w squared. Okay, so what I can do is bring both of these to the other side to get w squared minus 100w, and this will stay the same. So you now can graph this, right? And one way of doing it is noticing that, right, I can factor this so it's 35 and 65, like so. Okay, if you do that, what you end up getting is that the width, right, is either going to be 35 or 65. So it's going to intersect here, like this. So what this means is that the width, in order for this equation to be 0, has to be 35 or 65. So the length, if the width is 35, right, is going to be 100 minus 35, right? And that's just going to be 65, right? But notice that if I plug in for the other one, right, it's 100 minus 65, right? This will give me 35. So really, they give the exact same answer, right? So it has to be just a 35 by 65, right, rectangular field. It doesn't matter whether this is the width and this is the length or the other way around.